In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to get your Instagram profile card. Instagram profile cards are an efficient tool for networking and personal branding. They allow users to easily share their profiles via QR codes or links, helping to grow their online presence across platforms or in physical spaces like events. To get your Instagram card on your profile page, simply tap on Share Profile. Your Instagram card will automatically appear onto your screen. Now you can simply share to other platforms when you tap onto this share button. You can copy your account link right here. You can also download the Instagram card video to your gallery as well. Lastly, you can also tap onto this writer icon to edit profile, change card background or change the color of your card too. This feature makes it simple to connect with others without needing to manually search for profiles. That's how easy it is to get your Instagram cards. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.